Hey guys, it's the Awesome Skills here, and today I am filming a Lego tutorial race car you saw. So first, the pieces you're going to need are a 1x1 transparent cheese wedge, 4 black studs, a black lever, 2 1x1s with connectors on the end, a 1x2 plate grey, 1x1 clip, and a 1x2 flat tiles. First, you're going to get the 2 1x1s with connectors, and you're going to put them together like that, and you're going to stick the 1x2 on top. So it looks a bit like that. Then you're going to stick all black studs onto the remaining studs. So it looks a bit like that. Then you stick the 1x1 with clip on there or that side if you want, and then you stick the 1x2 tile inside like that. Then you take your lever and steer it right like that. Then you're going to take your 1x1 cheese wedge and stick it right on the front. So that has been the Awesome Skills tutorial on how to build the Lego race car. If you want me to make more tutorials, subscribe, like and comment down below what I should build next. And also you can take a walkie-talkie, and you're all done. So that's been Awesome Skills, and see ya.